bro. Holy shit, what just happened, bro? Oh.
Even get to cross.
Well, I know I forgot something. Yeah, my coolers. Monster boy, it's for you. Yeah. Very good morning to that random guy. And today is so nice because of the climate and then the rain last night. How cool it is, you know. But the city part is like you get splashed from everyone. No matter how slow you ride, you get splashed. We don't have patience with people, man. Yeah. It's been very long time since I posted a video on this channel.
It's been
I'm
84
not even
years.
sure because I didn't check for the preview because the GoPro isn't connecting to my phone. So I need to check once it's been cool, bro. And then are we gonna be slow today because of rain hit roads? Yes, maybe. That's right, that's right. And then there is a little much of traffic over particularly in this place because of the bus stand over here, and that this part is like so narrow that when a bus stops over there, not even a cycle can pass through. Seriously, man. And this is a private property, and they don't even, the government or the who's in charge of this metro rail, everything, they don't give a fuck about extending this compound. Seriously, they got enough space so that the vehicles can go. And then exactly, the thing is, the bus stop is over exactly outside it, and then they don't give a damn about extending this place. And then the other one, similar place like this, that is the Lashat Line Road. When a bus stops over there at a particular point, not even anything, only a pedestrian can sneak into it. All runs. I'm like worried about this particular path, you know, because when sometimes people are coming in the opposite way, you don't have any other options, and just want to, where are you coming, bro? Okay, I should be a magician to decide where you guys gonna go. Seriously, you don't give a fuck about indicators, you don't give a fuck about any other shit. This is the part I'm like very worried, like someone splashing on my pants and then my shoes. Why not the climate be the same? You know, people get hurt on road, but I do get hurt on the parking even. Bad, bro. Is it really dark, or is it I'm feeling this because of I'm wearing a cooler inside my helmets? Because I don't see enough light. There will be a pothole on the left, so yeah, just avoid. And then don't go in the center of a car, because every car guy will be avoiding the pothole or manhole in the center. I'm thinking to switch off my GoPro at some part so that, yeah, this guy stands only for 45 minutes. Not bad, right? Yeah, he's a GoPro 4, but still he manages to do his best. So 45 minutes is his timeline. So I'm thinking to switch off somewhere in the middle where, I mean, I should do somewhere here, is it? I wish I had a better GoPro. I mean, someone can give me a better GoPro like what I had till today, and then I can vlog my complete route from my place to my workplace. Yes. And I don't know how and then when I'm gonna edit this vlog. Probably today? No way, bro. At least he uses his indicators, bro. Cool, nah? Respect. Oh, I just praised him for going on the right, and then all of a sudden he's changed his mind to go on the left. Not bad though, he used his indicator even. That's not a woman. Then why? You need to learn your own lessons. Should I overtake over here? Yes. I feel like I'm missing something in my bag, which I'm used to carry all the time. I'll figure out when I reach my office.
Bruh.
Oh, the zip cover should be placed upside down so that no way the water is going to enter inside the phone. But it's like ulta. I got space akka. Is he going straight? Fucking use your indicators, asshole. This Anna is gonna take. Thankfully the signal is red so that. Oh, it's green. No one bothers to cross the signal though. Everyone is like, okay, I'll go on the signal, I'll go slowly. I don't care about giving a fuck. Happy that I didn't drop my foot in the signal. Yeah, usually I'll wait for like 90 seconds to 1 minute. Is that a Vespa? No, it's Fassino. Auto guy, he was like, I'm gonna go left. No, to the right. To the left. Dimitri Vegas, unlike Mike. Sorry, got excited. The roads are dry over here, man. Thankfully. And then these pedestrians, you know, they don't use this fucking overbridge, pedestrian overbridge. They just want to come in between and then drive, and then blame the two-wheelers. It's green, still green, bro. Bro, you can do it, come on. Holy shit, what just happened, bro? Oh fuck. Someone fell off. Probably she must have been going through. Yep, there's enough gap. Typical YouTuber will be like, guys, live accident caught on camera. You know what's called live accident? When you're going live on something like Facebook Live, Instagram Live or YouTube Live, and then you caught an accident, that is called live accident. The rest of the accidents are called caught on tape. Asshole. I'm gonna go this way, little wrong, I know. And then take that. I'll follow this auto guy, he will make route. Gimme. I know, bro. I'm sorry for that. You don't have any other options, bro. Seriously. And if you're going that way, you're gonna lose some 5 to 7 minutes for sure. That's why I take this one. Auntie, pedestrians, where are the pedestrians? Occupied by parking. Where are the parking? Parking is occupied by residents. Yeah, they don't have enough parking. They build everything and then give it for rent. And then vehicles occupy pedestrians. Pedestrians occupy road. Where am I supposed to ride then?
FBI, open up!
On my head, is it? Yeah, the police are now is calling. I feel like I am suddenly always in Kolkata because Kolkata police are like, yeah, very cool. Once they see that there is something very, the road is like fully occupied and then no other way, they actually call you on the opposite way and then clear you. Yeah. Yeah, it's nice, you know, that so that not every time you should follow roads. Then one road is not fully occupied and then other road is fully occupied and then you ask the other people to come on the other way. Not bad. That's not gonna hurt anyone. You're clearing the way, that's it. Simple as that. Okay, my helmet is like foggy. Hey GoPro, are you there? Yeah, he's alive. You know, I've seen some people sitting on their Activa, scooty pep, like their legs wide open, as if someone is gonna give them a hug to in between their legs. Why can't you close your legs and then sit like this? My biggest fear is like, you know, this door will sometime open automatically and then hit you. And then usually, you know, I used to go via Miat Trade Center and then St. Thomas Mount earlier. And then it cost me like 20 minutes extra when I'm going in that way. Now I'm taking this Ashok Pillar, Olympia Road, and then this is saving me some 20 minutes. Here comes the main task. So far you just made till 4th gear or maybe like 5th gear at some point of time. In this road you can't even go for 3rd, bro. Yeah, that's so congested. Okay, let's see. I'm in my 3rd, 4th. Karma is actually working, bro. What I wished will never happen. Yeah. Look at their legs, bro. It's like wide open. See, your things, whatever your body or your whatever you're carrying, should be within the handlebar, not beyond that. That's for your safe only, bro. Ah, it's so dry, bro. Like my life. Self roast. How come water be here? Tanni Lari guys will be pouring more water in road than the residents. Why do you put the G TN23 BF2603G? It's not owned by government, bro. It's your vehicle and then you're using it for you're just in a government job. That's it. So that's legally wrong. Nothing should be on the number plate except the actual numbers. How tall is that bus, bro? It's like first floor, almost near to the first floor. Kalishwari. Am I late today because this place, Kadapa, Vijayawada, Chennai, Rayachatti. Where is that Rayachatti? I know there is no content gonna be here on. I better switch off.
நீங்க எப்போ வந்தீங்க?
என்ன நீ பார்க்கவே இல்லையா?
இல்லையே சித்தப்பு.
How many people, bro? Sad, bro. Anna, you can go this in. Why isn't he here? She's supposed to be here.
Hello, yeah, I'm just walking to the place, so
Okay.
I'm like, yeah, if you can like come to the MRF part.
Yeah. Okay, fine.
Okay, bye.
I'm at the MRF place, bro, but you are not here. Where are you? Oh, she's there. Hey, bro. Why did you start late?
No,
I came early.
no, you're not early also. But yeah. I woke up when you called me.
Oh, you slept by?
You woke up at 9:27.
I mean, you slept by.
Left by. I just leave around yesterday, bro. I just leave nothing else.
Ah.
Today I'll finish everything at work only. And then
The climate is nice today. Climate.
yeah, I know, right? No, today morning I woke up, okay. I woke up around like 8:39 before you called.
Okay.
And I'm like, bro, it is so
You thought it's early in the morning, is it?
yeah, like it was so dark, bro. Like sun was not even out. Like, I was like, wow. I was just, you know what? I was just laughing and like feeling so nice. Because I was like, tomorrow if the same climate is there, I can sleep and sleep and sleep.
Do ba 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 do do ba do boo boo a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do.
You know, from that window that we have, the view that comes where you sit, there's a window, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, from that the view is like the sunset view is from there, no?
Ah.
Have you seen that? That sort of view, no, is there like in Kocheri.
What just happened? Did someone hit someone? Even today morning, you know, Ashok Pillar Junction, you know,
Yeah.
there was a girl lying on the road.
Oh shit.
Someone hit her, it seems. Every day I see someone fighting on the road. They normalized it.
Bangalore, there's no area.
No, there's a famous Bangalore fight video. The Royal Enfield guy and then a Swift taxi guy. Have you seen it?
No, what is
I'll show the video, you'll understand.
But sometimes I feel so bad that being from Bangalore, I don't know anything because like I have not lived there only, no, like for the past 5 years.
You're just visiting Bangalore, not living in Bangalore.
So I've decided the December vacations I have, no,
Yeah.
just going to like, I'm going to learn to drive before that. Then I'm going to get my license before that. I'm just going to take the car in. Like,
Cool.
Monday and Friday, okay.
Okay.
She otherwise works from home. And then she is also, no, I have work, I'm not coming anywhere. I have work, I'm not coming anywhere. So I'm like,
Bro, the actual thing why we were working is now to teach our children the skills.
yeah. And my brother will have vacation. You know what he says to me? He's like, Didi, when you start earning and start driving, no?
Yeah.
We are going to go out every night for ice cream.
Yeah, it happens, but once after a year you will get bored of it.
Yeah, I know. And he's very excited about it. So I'm like, okay.
He's a kid, bro, so he'll be obviously excited.
Actually, in this December, he'll be at the peak of his keyboards and all. And then March, then came through the road one day.
Ah.
So I took the wrong left, okay.
Oh shit. Here we go again.
மறக்காம சர்ப்ரைஸ் பண்ணுங்க. Thank you.